Yeah, I know what you're saying. The car's not wrecked. It must be clickbait. No, it's not clickbait. What you're looking at is the good side of the car. You know, everything's cool on the left side. You know, everything's cool in the front of the car too. But when you get around to the right side, then you see the damage that was done. Yeah, two separate incidents. All right. The damage you see here comes from I had someone in the car, you know, a friend, haha, friend, some friend, right? Yeah, we are on a hill and they actually opened the door like too hard, like swung the door open too hard, and I guess the door like kind of got like crooked on the hinges or something like that. So what happened is the door was open and the door was open, but the door was stuck behind the fender, right? So when I went to close the door wouldn't close. So I had to push the door closed and bend the fender to get it closed. So now when you open, in order to open the door, this is what happens. You see what I'm saying? Then when you close the door, look what happens. The door is crooked. So it bent the fender. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing is I was out here in New York on the Van Wyck Expressway, and some young lady in her Nissan Murano decides to sideswipe my car. So the mirror is scraped right here, but then right here she kind of like ripped the mirror off, broke it. You know, if you look around, you can see where the mirror is like cracked. At first, my window didn't roll down. Didn't roll all the way up. It got stuck when I went to roll it up because right here got bent in. So I had to take a screwdriver. I had to take a flathead screwdriver and bend it back out so my window would close. Because the window wouldn't close. It would only go like a little more than halfway up. But I fixed that part. Then there's some more scrape marks from where she sideswiped me. Then right there too. So, you know, I've been having a pretty good week, I guess. Yeah, these two incidents all happening over the course of like 3 days. So yeah, I'm having a real great time. We're having some real great luck with the Camry. You know, we'll see what I'm gonna do with it. You know, I haven't decided whether I want to keep going on with the car or sell it, or anything like that. You know, the car still runs and drives well. Right now, it has 146,000 miles. So I put almost 20,000 miles on the car since I bought it. You know, it runs and drives perfectly. I still got to get, do the oil leaks and stuff like that, where it leaks oil, finish the exhaust and stuff like that. But I'm still undecided whether I want to keep the car and then finish it out or just get rid of it and move on to the next project. Because this is aggravating, or the damage to the right side just kind of got me pissed. But I don't know. I'll figure out what I'm going to do with it. Stay tuned.